Welcome to our video guide on managing your low stock report efficiently. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to monitor your stock levels and generate comprehensive reports using the low stock report module. This tool can be easily installed via the App Shop, providing you with valuable insights into your inventory. To begin, ensure you have the low stock report module installed, and once that's done, navigate to the Reports and Low Stock tabs. Let's dive into the key features of this module. Under the Low Stock tab, you'll find the low stock report presented in a user-friendly table format. The table includes essential columns such as brand, products, quantity available, model, 90-day sales, and estimated stock. Efficiently manage your information by sorting columns independently. Simply click on the up and down triangle icons for the brand, products, quantity available, and model columns to arrange your data as needed. Need to share or analyze your low stock reports externally? No problem. Click on the Export button to export your data to a CSV file effortlessly. For quick access to specific items, take advantage of the Quick Search option. This feature streamlines your workflow, allowing you to locate the information you need promptly. Working with a large inventory? Customize your view by setting the display of product quantity per page. Easily select your preferred number from the drop-down list for a more convenient and tailored experience. With these tips, managing your low stock reports becomes a seamless and efficient process. Make informed decisions about your inventory and ensure optimal stock levels with the low stock report module. Get started right now.